I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato soup with chicken. First, gather your ingredients: 2 pounds of potatoes, 1 pound of cooked chicken, 4 cups of chicken broth, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Don't forget 1 chopped onion and 2 diced celery stalks. These fresh components form the delicious base of our hearty soup. We'll combine them to create a comforting and flavorful meal for everyone to enjoy. Next, let's build the flavor. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and sauté your chopped onion and diced celery until they are softened, about 5 minutes. Then, add the diced potatoes and 4 cups of chicken broth. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the potatoes are perfectly tender. Now for the creamy texture. Once the potatoes are tender, mash about 1/3 of them directly in the pot to thicken the soup. Stir in 1 cup of heavy cream and 1/2 cup of milk until well combined. Then, gently fold in your shredded cooked chicken. Season generously with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of dried thyme to enhance all the wonderful flavors. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious potato chicken soup. Gently heat the soup until it's warmed through, being careful not to boil it once the cream has been added. Ladle the hot soup into bowls. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped chives or a sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese. Enjoy this comforting and satisfying meal with your loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.